Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Featured Collection section. The Featured Collection section helps you highlight specific collections in your store, making it easier to showcase key products and promotions. It creates a visually engaging layout that encourages customers to explore and interact with your collections. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Featured Collection section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Featured Collection section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Free Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Featured Collection section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Featured Collection, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Featured Collection section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the Featured Collection section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Container displays the section within a fixed width container, providing a structured layout with consistent side spacing that adapts smoothly across different screen sizes. You can select a collection to display, allowing you to highlight specific products that you want your customers to focus on. You can set the maximum number of products to display, choosing anywhere from 2 to 25. You can choose the number of columns on desktop, ranging from 1 to 6. Fewer columns create a larger, more detailed product view, while more columns allow you to display more products in a compact grid layout. Enable List View if you prefer to display products in a vertical list format, which is useful for providing more detailed product information. If disabled, products will appear in the standard card-style grid, which is more visual and commonly used for browsing. Enable the View All option to display a button when there are more products available than currently shown. You can also customize the button by entering a label that matches your store's tone. Add a button link to direct customers to a specific collection page or any other relevant destination. Choose from different button styles, each offering a unique visual look: link, default, solid, and outline. You can also select the button size to control its overall appearance and spacing. Inherit: small, medium, and regular. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. You can also enhance your product highlights by adding a custom badge label, which allows you to display short, attention-grabbing text directly on your products. You can enter an icon name to visually support your badge or content. Icons add a visual cue that makes the section more engaging and easier to scan. Depending on your theme's icon library, you can use names that represent tags, stars, fire, or any symbol that fits your message. You can also customize the badge's background and text colors to match your store's branding. Choosing the right color combination helps the badge stand out without overwhelming the overall design, while ensuring the text remains clear and easy to read. Choose an image ratio to control how your product images are displayed within this section. Available options include Inherit, which uses your theme's global image settings to maintain a consistent look across your store, along with 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, 2:3, and Circle. You can further customize how your images are displayed using Crop Position. Available options include Inherit, which uses your theme's global image settings, as well as Top Left, Top Center, Top Right, Middle Left, Middle Center, Middle Right, Bottom Left, Bottom Center, and Bottom Right. You can also choose from different image shapes to enhance the visual style of your section. Options like Default, Arch, Blob, Chevron Left, Chevron Right, Diamond, Parallelogram, or Round add a creative and unique touch to your layout. These shapes help break the standard grid structure, making your storefront more visually engaging and aligned with your brand's personality. You can enable the second image on hover, which allows customers to see an alternate product image when they hover over it. This is especially useful for showing different angles, colors, or usage views without opening the product page. The product carousel option lets multiple images slide within the product card itself, creating a more interactive browsing experience. If disabled, only a single static image will be shown. Enable Show Product Card Thumbnail Carousel to display product image thumbnails. Disable it to hide the product card thumbnail carousel from your product cards. You can choose to display the vendor name, which helps build brand recognition, especially if you sell products from multiple brands. Enabling ratings shows customer review stars directly on the product card, increasing trust and helping users make quicker decisions. You can also show a short product description, giving customers more context about the item without needing to click through. If you prefer a cleaner layout, this can be hidden. Displaying the price is essential for transparency, but you have the option to hide it if you want a more catalog-style presentation. You can enable variant swatches to show available options like colors or sizes directly on the product card, allowing customers to preview variations quickly. In addition, you can control product availability display. You can choose to show or hide out-of-stock products, depending on whether you want to maintain a full catalog view or only display available items. You can also enable sold out and sale badges, which clearly highlight product status and promotional pricing, helping drive urgency and conversions. For quicker purchasing, you can choose a quick ad style. None removes the quick add option entirely. Standard adds a simple Add to Cart button, and Bulk allows customers to add multiple quantities or variants directly from the collection view. Finally, you can adjust the layout for smaller screens by setting mobile columns to 1 or 2. A single column provides a larger, more detailed view for each product, while 2 columns create a more compact grid, allowing users to browse more items at once. Under Enable Slider, you can choose where the collection product post will be displayed. Both Devices slider will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable Loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show Dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show Arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. For styling, select arrow color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use Arrow Position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Match the featured collection section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space of the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. And that's it. Your featured collection section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.